the first of 8 new compacts to be produced by German manufacturer Mercedes-Benz, the new generation E-Class, began rolling off the assembly lines in Rastatt, Germany this week. To be sold in Europe for prices starting at €30,231, €37,400 for the entry-level 200 with a 6-speed manual transmission, the new E-Class promises, even since its presentation, to redefine the segment in terms of technologies used. That includes a revised range of engines. The Mercedes-Benz User Experience MBUX, the first 3.0-star model to use this system, and an artificial intelligence assistant responding to the words "Hey Mercedes." All the models in the lineup A200, A180D, and A250 will be offered for a limited time with an Edition 1 trim. For an extra €7,021 (8,600), buyers will get color highlights in Edition Green, LED high-performance headlamps, sports seats, and ambience lighting as standard equipment. Mercedes-Benz Cars starts an unprecedented ramp-up cascade with the E-Class, said Markus Schäfer, the man in charge of production and supply for the carmaker. In our global production network, we can ramp up the production of our vehicles in proven top quality and supply the global market even faster. Using modern Industry 4.0 technologies, our plants are becoming even more flexible and efficient. Currently, Mercedes compact cars segment is comprised of the A, B class, CLA shooting brake and GLA. The new compact breed that debuts with the E-Class W177 will comprise a total of 8 models, including electric. The Rastatt facility is thus already producing compact models from the 4th generation. It has been prepared for the arrival of future models by the addition of an expanded body and white shop, the place where the car's body components are welded together, and other additional production areas. This facility is the also PTA Chiles, where compact electric vehicles from the newly established EQ brand will be produced.